Welcome to Rockville.
Welcome back to the Circle of Excellence at the New England Motorcycle Museum. We believe this is the last brand new IT400 for sale on planet Earth. It has 4.3 miles on it. Those were the miles when originally at the dealership, when they originally set it up and test rode it. The customer picked it up, rode it around the parking lot, and then took it home, put it in his living room for 46 years. Actually, spent the last 15 years at the, what was the name of the dealership? Power Sports. Hold on a second. For the last 15 years, it's been on display at Eastern Power Sports. If you saw the video on Instagram when he dropped it off and one on YouTube the other day, it had been in their showroom for 15 years. They bought it from the original owner. They sell Yamahas there, and this was their flagship model. It's actually, if you go on their website, it's the first bike in the picture that comes up. They needed to sell it, they needed the cash, so they gave us a call, and it's coming up for sale. It is absolutely perfect. It has, give them a close-up of the tires. There's no dry riding on the original 46-year-old tires. They don't make them like they used to, that's for sure. Do a real close-up on the chain and sprocket, too, from this side here. It's brand new, original chain. It's never been adjusted. It's absolutely freaking perfect. Show them underneath the frame rails. The bike's never been off-road. It's only been ridden around the parking lot at the dealership. And then it actually got about half a mile being pushed down to detail and over to service. And went right through it. Put some fresh VP fuel in there, clean the fuel line, clean the carburetor, put new fuel lines on it, replace the original air filter, and change the gear lube. So I guess the only part on here that isn't original is the fuel lines, the air filter, and the tank stickers. The Eastern Power Sports refreshed it with some new OEM, those are OEM Yamaha tank stickers. But everything else, the tank bag, check this out. This is pretty remarkable. Has the original manual still in the plastic bag. The original toolkit's never been out of the bike. The only other new one I know of is not a 79. It's an IT490. We have one over there with like 2 miles on it. That one's not for sale. That one's on display. This one is for sale. So we're looking to find a new forever home. If you buy it and you want to leave it on display in the museum, you're welcome to. Take a look at the original paint. Now, a bike like this that's 46 years old and brand new is a significant piece of moto history, because if you want to recreate or restore a motorcycle and you want the original patina, there's never been a paintbrush on this frame. This is the original factory paint on the exhaust. It's the original factory paint on the hub. As you can see, it's like a matte finish, and then maybe a low gloss here, and then high gloss here, a low gloss on the engine. This is exactly the way we're supposed to look. The original zinc plating on all of the fittings and everything. This is, sometimes you can over-restore a bike and not have that original. This is exactly the way the forks came from the dealership. This is the original Enduro tire, is what it says on it. IRC Enduro, that's what they came with. Check out the DID sticker still on the rim. Just a remarkable time capsule. There's only one. We've got a lot of restored ITs have come through the shop, but this is the only new IT400 that we know of for sale on planet Earth today. If you know of another one, let me know. I don't think there is. So the inside of the tank is as clean as the outside. Show them the odometer. The glass on it's perfectly. There's no scratches. The cables. This is the original Yamaha crossbar pad. Original grips. Original levers. Everything works perfectly on the bike. It runs perfect. And it's got fresh fuel, air filter, carb clean. Fresh fuel, as I said, carb clean, air filter, and gear lube. So this is a museum piece. If there's ever been a definition of a museum piece, this is it. Original saddle. Every nut and bolt on the bike is original. Original, everything. Check out the sticker on the rear fender right here. Just a remarkable piece of moto history here. Show them the back of the forks, the Kiaba sticker on the back of the forks and the original factory finish on the fork lowers. That's how they're supposed to look. Usually the clear coat is all screwed up, and you know the deal. Chain guide's perfect. Not much else to say. It's a brand new motorcycle. It's a museum piece, and it's going up for sale on eBay. If you're interested, give Junior a call. call the shop 860-454-7024. Thanks for watching. God bless America.